Okay, so we have found what we think will be the plan for the regimen of chemotherapy lasting the, well gosh, 6 months to my whole life, huh?
Yes.
This is
All human hair, completely hand-tied. It's called the CEO.
I want to be a CEO. I want to be smart.
It's all human hair, and then we'll cut it and style it on you accordingly. This is just one that's been on display. And the color will be a little bit different because you have a little more mix in your hair color.
So I'll have my own special color, and then it will be shorter, and it feels real. I mean, it feels so soft and beautiful, and it's called the CEO, which makes me feel smarter. So even though my hair loss in particular could be slower, this is something I'll be able to wear all summer long. The only thing is not going into the Dead Sea. If I go to Israel, well, that will be a scarf day. Because it would be, then you still have to do this like normal hair. You have to dry it again. And
Yeah, exactly.
and you want to
But
take
you
care
only
of it.
have to do it once a month.
Have you found, just out of common curiosity, that women that their hearts are broken, our hair, has it helped them and you to see them come to life after they've been in here?
Oh, sure. I mean, number one, it's a huge part of your identity. You know, when you look in the mirror, that's what you see. And if you have a beautiful piece of hair that you feel good about putting on, you won't hesitate to put it on. You will get up in the morning and actually look forward to doing it because, number one, it's comfortable, and number two, it looks just like you.
Brenda
And
Kay.
you are you.
They told me, they said they have to go to Brenda Kay and they will make you look like you, and I wanted to look like me, sort of, only cuter. So that's it. It's a wrap, Becky. It's a wrap.
Okay. So am I off now?
Don't forget to hit the red button again when you're wrapped.